Everyone, this is Kailash Chauhan. Today we will discuss about the solid state chemistry. Firstly, we should know the matters. Matters is any substance that has mass and occupies space are called as matter. Any substance which has mass and that occupies space are called as matter. Basically, there are three types of matter. First one is a solid, and second one is liquid, and third one is a gases. There are two more types of matters, states of matter, that is a plasma and Bose-Einstein condensation. Types of matter: solid, liquid, and gases. You can see the first figure, that is a solid structure, and second one is the liquid. Characteristics of solid. Solid has a strong intermolecular force of attraction. You can see in the figure first, there is a strong intermolecular force of attraction. There is a compact arrangement of particles. There is a solid has a fixed shape, size, and fixed volume. Solid has fixed numbers of molecules or fixed numbers of atoms. Solid has high density, it has a high melting point, it is less compressible, it is hardness, it is malleability. We can make a thin layered plate from a metals. This property are also called as malleability. Types of solid. There are two types of solid: crystalline solid and amorphous solid. First one is the crystalline solid. Regularity and periodicity in the arrangement of the particles. The crystalline solid have sharp melting point, that is they melt at definite temperature. Crystalline solids have well defined edges and faces. It is long range, that's why crystalline solid are anisotropic. Example: ice, salt, NaCl, gold. Amorphous solids are supercooled liquid. Amorphous solid, it is also called as supercooled liquids. The amorphous solid, the particles are randomly arranged. You can see in the figure, the particles are randomly arranged. There is no proper arrangement, there is no periodic arrangement, there is no regular arrangement. Particle have short range, that's why it is isotropic. It do not have sharp melting point. Amorphous solid do not have sharp melting point. They melt gradually over a temperature of interval. On heating, amorphous solid gradually and continuously soften and start to flow. Example: glass, plastic, rubber, tar, etc. There are two more types of solids, that is isomorphous solid and polymorphous solid. First one is the isomorphous solid. Two or more substances having the same crystal structure are called as isomorphous solid. There is a two or more solids have same crystal structure. Example: CaCO3 and NaNO3 have a same crystal structure, that is it is a trigonal shape, and the atomic ratio of CaCO3 and NaNO3 is 1:1:3. The another example is Na3PO4 and N3ASO4. The both the solids are tetrahedral in shape, and the ratio of the both the molecules is 3:1:4. In last year CET exam of state Maharashtra, there is a one question we had asked, that is NaCl and KCl are isomorphous solid, polymorphous solid, both A and B, and none of the above. The correct option is NaCl and KCl are not isomorphous solid, because of there is a ratio of the atomic ratio of the molecule is 1:1, but there is a difference in crystal structure. That's why NaCl and KCl are not isomorphous solid. Second one is polymorphous solid. A single substance that crystallizes two or more form. A single substance that crystallizes two or more form. Example, carbon. The allotropes of carbons are diamond, graphite, fullerene, and the calcium carbonate have two different structure, calcite and argonite. The atomic ratio of polymorphic compound may or may not be the same. Polymorphism occurring in the element is called as allotropy. Crystal structure. Crystal is described into two terms, lattice and basis. First one is the lattice. It is an ordered array of points describing the arrangement of the particle that forms crystal. And basis is an atom or groups of atom which is associated with crystal lattice to form crystal. Basis tells that to repeat according to the lattice to get a crystal. Next one is a unit cell. The unit cell defined by lattice point. The unit cell defined by the lattice point. It is the smallest part of the crystal that repeats regularly through the translation in 3D creates. The smallest repeating unit of crystalline solid is called as unit cell. Structure of unit cell depends upon the structure of crystals. The dimension of the unit cell is ABC. You can see in the figure ABC are the axis and alpha, beta, gamma are the angles. Types of unit cell. Basically, there are four types of unit cells. First one is that primitive or simple unit cell. Simple unit cell. The constituent particles are present at the corners only. You can see in the figure there is a yellow point, that is a particle, which are present at the corners only. And the simple unit cubic unit cell contain only how many particles? You can see there is a 8 particle at the corner of the cubes. The simple unit cubic cell are present 8 molecules or 8 particles. Second one is the BCC, body centered unit cell. Body centered unit cell. There is a present of one particle at the center of the cube and remaining 8 particles at the corner of its. One constituent particle is present at the center of its body and in addition to the corners particle. There are how many particles present in the cube? There are 9 particles. 8 are present at the corners and one is present at the center. Therefore, each unit cell contain how many particles? There are 2 particles. One is the at corners particle and one is the centers particle. BCC contain the 2 particles per unit cell. BCC contain 2 particles per unit cell. Third one is the FCC, face centered unit cell. It consists of particle at the center of each faces in addition to the corners particle. You can see there is a pink particles are present at the center of the faces and yellow particles are the corners only. How many particles there are? There are 14 particles. The FCC unit cell has one particle plus one corner particle plus 3 faces particle, pink faces particle. There is total 4 particle per unit cell. Base centered unit cell. Unit cell consists at the center of any 2 of its opposite faces in addition of corner particle. Unit cell consists a center of any 2 or opposite faces in addition to the corner particles. Next one is that